Are you down for this? If you're in the mood, we can take it to the moon. Just like a movie scene, table for two. No need to be fake, I want you to stay. If you're in the mood.
Hello guys, I'm Reza Sugiarti with student number 36. I made this video for my assignment final semester exam for my English course. In this video, I will give my opinion about what a holidays means to me. Okay, in the midst of our busy life, we often forget this importance of maintaining mental health, right? Uh, One effective way to deal with stress and improve well-being is to take a holidays. What do you think of when you hear the word of holidays? When I hear the word holidays, I think about a nature. Why? Because I prefer holidays in nature. Sometimes I wonder why so many people ignore nature when planning their holidays. For me, going to nature is like happiness. Holidays in nature is a wonderful way to escape from everyday routine and stress. I really like nature and spending time in the middle its beauty, the sun with its warm rays, fresh and cool air, the sound of rustling leaves and endless green view provide therapy that the hustle and bustle of the city cannot provide. Uh, Nature teaches us about passion and awareness. When walking on a hiking trail or sitting by a calm lake, time seems to slow down, right? Uh, we become more aware of our surrounding and begin to appreciate the little things like a bird singing, the wind brushing our skin, or even the silence that speaks volumes. Holidays to nature not only refreshing the mind but also reconnect us with the earth. In the world dominated by screen and city buildings, we need to remind ourselves of our roots. It's not just about resting, but also finding balance in life. So, for those who think that holidays in nature is boring or a hassle, I would like to say try it. Maybe you will discover a part of yourself that you never recognized before. Because with nature, I also find a part of myself. That's my opinion about holidays to nature. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully this is useful and can provide this inspiration for where you go on your next holiday.